Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create two data visualizations based on this data set, super drugs prescriptions spreadsheet. So you need to download the spreadsheet before you work on these two examples. So if you open this document, you see these are the two charts we want to create based on this data source. So let me open open Tableau, then make a connection to the data source, which is super drugs prescriptions. So in this spreadsheet, there are two tables, Rx and distribution. So we'll be using Rx table. So this is how the Rx table looks like. Okay, it's also a pretty large table. So let's go back to the instruction. So let me reopen it. So in the first part, we want to create this type of bar chart. So on the left-hand side, so on the right-hand side, you see the filter. It's called dispersed region with central being selected, and it's going to show the average prescription price over time. Okay, let's go to sheet 1. So we use sheet 1 to create this bar chart. So this is between time, date, and average price, unit price. So I want to show the price over time. Okay, so you can go to automatic under the mark category, change this into bar chart. And for the time, we want to use this specific format, which is months followed by year. And we can also adjust the width of the bar. So instead of fixed, we use manual. We can change the width of the bar as you want. And we also want to change, instead of the total price, we want to change to average price. And for the horizontal axis, we can format the scale we want to show. So for the dates, instead of the automatic format, you can choose specific format you want to use. And then finally, we want to go back. Sorry, not this go back. We want to go to the table at this attribute. We want to add a filter. Dispensed region. Let me go back to check. Yeah, dispensed region. Add it to filter, then with center being selected. And you want to show the filter on the right-hand side. So that's the first bar chart. Okay, we also want to create the next scatter plot. It's between profit and the quantity. We want to create exact scatter plot like this one. So the color of each mark will denote the region, and the shape will denote the drug supplier. So let's create another sheet. Then, so this is between profit and the quantity. So So you can either highlight both of these and use show me to create a scatter plot, or you can just double click. So Tableau will understand you want to create a scatter plot. So then we want to use color to denote the dispensed this color just denote the region, shape denote the supplier. The region, we drag the region to color, and then we drag supplier to shape. So finally, in order to show the data, you drag dispense the pharmacy to detail. Okay, so this is exact the same as we saw on the instruction. Then with this graph, you can answer the following questions. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.